with the Extreme Billy Fishing channel. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we are trying to catch some northern pikes.
Weight on it?
No. That'll work, man. I think I might cast a little farther, put a weight on it, but dude, that was pretty good for this reel and not having a weight. Dude, not on this reel. I ain't letting you cast this reel because it'll get all messed up.
If it works out, then we'll, I don't know, I can see if I can try to figure things out.
Alright. I'll just text Jenna when we're heading back. Okay. You got a fish, Chris.
So I talk about, baby.
Alright. Well, I'll just text Jenna when I'm coming back. Okay, I'll talk to you later.
Freaking go, buddy. Dude, that's what we came here for. I was wondering when we were going. Where did I put my pliers?
He caught a fish.
Dude, where did I put my pliers?
I don't know where you put your pliers.
There we go. Get all that tackle off him real quick. He's a very small little pike here, but I mean, we got one finally, so what is he, 15, 20 inches maybe? All right, we're gonna let him go. Here, come over here, Connor. It's about time. He's pretty though. I'll let him go here. Slimy little suckers. They're cool. They got like tiger print on them. He's a little stunned. He needs to realize he's back in the water and start breathing. There we go. That was pretty sick, man.
You got another fish?
Yeah, dude.
Tomorrow I'll be working morning shift, so after, yeah.
Whoa, dude, that's a good one.
Yeah. Okay, I gotta go. my boy's catching a fish.
Yeah. Dude, I'm casting in a good spot finally, I guess. That's a good one right there. Just gotta bring him in here. He's about the same size as that other one.
Don't put him in the Dorito.
It's alright, it's alright.
Your Doritos now.
Oh, the hook's out? Okay, cool. Alright, got another one here. That's pretty cool. Literally like 2 minutes after that last one. There he goes. That was cool. Dude, something's biting this. Yeah, something was biting it. They're not anymore, but I wonder if I still even have the freaking minnow on it. Dude, we got a fish. That's what I'm talking about, dude. We rolling? Hey, we got one. Just by reeling it in. Weightless. I'm surprised he didn't bite off my line, dude. We have not even wire leader on this. Look at his mouth, dude. Y'all see that? Zoom in on that.
It's deformed.
Mouth's all messed up. That's kind of weird. And then they got these weird bumps on their head. I don't know what those are. But here, get up in there. He's got like the little bars you can kind of see, but he's also got the dots. Is this a tiger muskie or is this a pike? I'm thinking pike. Wait, no, tiger muskie is one like this, I think. They have the lines. I don't know. It might be like a hybrid or something, but pretty cool. Yeah, we'll let him go here. Cool little guy. You can see his messed up jaw there. Alright. He bit it while I was reeling it. Connor, come here. Connor, come here. Come here, reel it in, dude. Oh, that's a good one, dude. Come here. Don't let him get too far into the trees. You gotta bring him in kind of quick. Just hold it like that and then start reeling that side. And just kind of keep the rod against him. He's big, dude. Dude, that's a big one, dude. Holy crap, dude. That's not a huge, but that is a good one. Bring him in. Then walk backwards. Bring him just closer to the shore. Alright, now you can let go of the line a little bit. Connor caught a pretty good one here. You wanna get a picture with him or no?
Absolutely.
Look how he's got these same like sideways scales. Is this a tiger muskie or a pike? I'm assuming it's a pike, but they've got little teeth inside of their gills. That's a big sucker. So we're gonna let him go here, but yeah, that was awesome. They're liking it when I'm moving it. There he goes. That was pretty cool, man. You like that? With the hour giant?
Sure.
See if we can catch one more. There he goes.